It's Mandy Napier for Mindset for Success. Now, do you ever struggle with getting motivated? Do you often fall into procrastination or distraction? Well, I'm going to share with you a tip that will help you use your brain better so that you can keep yourself motivated, because we all know that achieving goals, which is a long-term effort, requires us to keep motivated and do the daily tasks, the behaviors, the habits that we need to commit to achieve what we want. So let's imagine that you have a health goal, and your goal is to lose weight and get fit, and it's got a 6-month plan. So it's a 6-month time frame. This means each and every week you have to commit to not eating your favorite chocolate, being good about what you eat, perhaps restriction, eating healthily, doing your exercise, which will require an amount of effort, will, and discipline. And if you're like most humans I know, they don't always stick to doing the things they know they should. They forget, they have a wobble, and then they go, it's all over. And then they feel like they failed. So if you need a little bit of motivation, then listen up. So here's a tip, and it's backed by neuroscience research and how your brain works. So at the start of a week, sit down and look at everything that you need to do that week, especially in relation to your goal. Perhaps it's, as I said, health and eating healthily and exercise. And if you can consider at least one thing every day that you have to look forward to, then what will happen is your energy will raise slightly. You will feel a little bit better, and the anticipation of that event or that thing that you are looking forward to means your brain will release a little bit of dopamine, which will help you keep motivated and keep on task. You see, as humans, we are motivated away from pain and towards pleasure. And many times during our day, there are tasks that we need to do or things that we mustn't do that make us feel as if they're a bit arduous or we don't want to do them. So this will help you that little bit more keep focused on the things that you have to look forward to. It'll keep your spirits high, your energy higher, and with that extra motivation, you are more likely to do the things that you know that you should, that you might otherwise not have done. So that is your key for the week, to keep yourself motivated. Write down something every day that you look forward to. If you can't find anything, then use your amazing creative brain and find something. There's always something that we enjoy doing. So schedule that into your day, and then you look at your week with lots of things to look forward to. You keep focused on those so that the anticipation of them will allow your brain to send you that shot of dopamine, and you will feel a little bit motivated. And I guarantee if you do this consistently, it will help you do more of what you know you should, which will help you achieve your results in the long term. Thank you. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel, share it with others, and do feel free to check out my website. It's Mandy Napier from Mindset for Success.